Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Glory here. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button, and when you do, please click the notification bell as well, just so you know whenever I upload a new video and you stay updated. If you can hear dogs barking, I'm sorry. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys different ways to style one scarf with an afro, or different ways to style your scarf with an afro, your head wrap with an afro, your Ankara scarf, I'm Nigerian, why am I calling it Ankara? Ankara scarf with afro. So we'll go right straight to the video. guys, so I've come to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming this video. This is one of the videos I've actually really enjoyed filming, so I hope you guys had fun watching it. And yeah, if you've not clicked the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Like, at this time after watching that video, are you really serious? Anyways, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. Please share this video with your friends, your sisters, your aunts, your cousins, your people, all of them. Just share it with them, okay? Click the like button if you like this video and comment which is your favorite style, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.